Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put footnotes in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add or put footnotes in this document. Go to the last on the page, then click. Then go to the reference menu and we can see here many options. We find and select the insert footnote, then click it. Then go to the down of page and write footnote. Then go to the page and we can see here we put it a footnote this page very easily. You can see the footnote, click the last on the page and we can see here we inserted or put it a footnote. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.